Now, that circle was easy. It didn't have any sharp edge. How to make a complex shape like this? So we are going to make a complex shape with a corner. Alright. So first of all, make a point here. So with the help of your pen tool, click on the letter P, then make a point here. You can use Ctrl- and Ctrl+ to zoom in and zoom out. Okay? Just use Ctrl- or Ctrl+ to zoom in and zoom out. Now let's click here, click and drag to make a point here. You see, it's very crazy, right? So it's very difficult to make a point at this corner because of the interval. So let's click at the middle, click and make a point here. Then we can click here and then we can get a curve. As you already know, to edit this one, hold down the Ctrl or the Command key to control this curve. Alright, so we can also hold down the Control key to control this one. And you can see this one is a corner. So when I click once, you can see this handle has influences this curve. Alright, now there are two things that we can do here. We can move the handle and we can delete the handle. So okay, to move the handle, here's what you need to do. Hold down the Alt key, okay, or Option key on the Mac. Click and drag on the handle to move this curve. And you can see, just like this, we have been able to influence that curve to get this nice shape that we are looking for. And next, from here, we can continue creating the handle. So let's go, click and end. So we have just ended, but you can see our path is not curved anymore. It's a straight line. So we can still continue to make this one a curve. Just hold down the Alt key, which will open the convert point tool, so that from here, with the convert point tool, when we click and drag, it is going to introduce a new handle. So when the new handle introduce, just like we have, then you click on the Alt key to control the handle. Alright, so just click, remove your hand from the Alt key and click on it again, and then from here we can control only one side of the handle. Alright, then from here we can hold the Control key, click on the point, and then it is going to introduce the handle for that corner. And from here we can hold the Control key or the Alt key to control this handle as well. So you can see it's very simple, right? So just control it holding the Control key, and then if you want to open up the handle, just hold the Control key, and then we are going to have these handles and we can control it from here. So this is very, very, very easy. You just have to understand the principles. So if you want to open handles that we have already created, just hold down the Control key, click on it. It is going to open those handles for you. And then from there, we can control the handle as we want. And also you can see at the top, you have the add or delete point. So when we click on the middle, you see it adds a point, and then we can hold the Control key to move that point anywhere we want to move the point to. Alright? Okay, I hope this is very, very understandable. So if you want to move the point, make sure you hold down the Control key so that we can toggle between where we want to move the point to. Okay, so with the convert point, it help you to add a point, remove a point, and also introduces handle. So these are the basic things you can do with it. So all you need to know from here is that when you hold down the Alt key, it opens up the convert point tool, and the convert point tool will help you to bend handles, remove handles, and bring back. So just like this, click and drag. In this case, I just click and then come here. When I hold down the Alt key, it opens up the convert point tool, and when I click and drag, this one brings me handles, and I can bend the handle holding the Alt key, and I can also remove the handle. Make sure you have auto add or delete selected, and when you have over this, you see minus. When I click, it will remove the handle. Alright,